Okay, so we're going to show you how to rebuild the safety valve that's inside any of our carpet cleaners. So we have the small model, this is a 5900i. We're going to open it up, pull out show you what the safety valve is, show you how to pull it apart and repair it. So first thing you need to do is undo the latch to open up the machine. On this particular model, you're going to have to disconnect this hose here, so we're going to do that, and I'll show you where it is. Okay, so right here is the safety valve. What we're going to do is rebuild the inside of this, and what you need to do is take off this barrel portion here. You can get a wrench on it, and you usually want to loosen up this lock nut that's here, but sometimes you just grab it with your hand and just give it a good turn. Try not to adjust this lock washer so that we know where it'll sit. And there's going to be a little washer type thing inside of it that you're going to want to pull out. As you can see, this one has a little ball bearing in it. This is the one that goes in here first. Then there's a spring that also comes out. And then another washer like the first one that we pulled out. But this one, as you can see, it doesn't have a bearing inside of it. So that's the one that's on the outside, that's on this end here. So when you reassemble it, you're going to want to take the one without the bearing in it, put it on the spring, put the barrel portion on top of it, and then what you're going to do is take the one with the bearing in it, you're going to put that on top when you put it back in and reassemble it. So you're just going to take these and just put them off to the side anywhere. What we're going to do is inside here there's a little piece that the rebuild kit comes with. It kind of looks like a little bullet, and all you need to do to pull it out is use like a pair of needle nose pliers to grab a hold of it and pull it out. So like I said, you just reach in there with a pair of needle nose pliers. As you can see, I'm just grabbing it right there, and you just pull it out. So it kind of looks like a little bullet. But basically, when they leak, you have these O-rings here. Like this little slit, that's supposed to be there. Trying to get it in focus there. There it is. So that slit is supposed to be there, but you usually have an issue with the O-ring itself that goes bad. So the rebuild kit will come with one of these. So what you want to do is pull out the old one, simply put the new one back in. Basically the same thing. You just push it in with your hand, slide it right back into place, and then reassemble it. That's as simple as just taking it apart. So again, like I said, the first one that goes in is the one that has a little bearing that's inside of it. Then you have the spring, then you have the other one on the inside here without it, so you could actually see right through the hole there. You just take it, kind of slide it in place like that. Put your thumb on the end here to hold it in place, and tighten it back down. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is take a wrench and tighten this lock nut against the barrel portion to prevent it from spinning, because the spring is pushing against this, and vibrations from the vacuum motor and the pump, they could cause this to back out, which is why this lock nut is here. But once you have the machine, fixed and repaired, you just want to test it, make sure that it's working now. It should be fine. As long as if it was leaking from the end of the barrel portion here, that rebuild kit will fix the problem. And then you just fix it. It only takes 10 minutes of your time, pair of needle nose pliers, and possibly a wrench to snug this lock nut back in place. And that's it.